In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a paper origami ninja star. Now, unlike some of the other tutorials out there, this one here has this pattern on both sides. Now, what you're going to need is 2 pieces of origami or square paper. And there are 2 different ways that you can make this. You can use the full sheets, which gives you a thicker ninja star, or you can use half sheets, which gives you a thinner, more sharp and precisely folded one like this one here. I prefer this way, but I'll show you both and feel free to make them both and decide for yourself what you like most. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, if you're going to be using the full sheet method, this is what you're going to want to do. So first, you're going to want to fold the piece of paper in half and give it a crease, and then unfold. Now, take the top edge and fold it into the center edge like this, and then take the bottom edge, fold it into the center like that, and then fold it in half once again. And then this here is going to be the base that we use the next steps. Now let me show you my preferred way of doing it, of using just half sheets. So we're going to start with one piece of paper and we're going to want to cut it in half. So you could either use a pair of scissors, that's okay, or you can use this method here to get the half sheet that you need. So now we have half. We'll set this aside and we'll do the same with the other color if you want to do 2 colors. Fold it in half. And the other way. All right, and now we have the 2 bases to start from. So with the first piece, we're going to want to fold it in half like so. And then fold it in half the other way. We'll set that aside and do the same thing for the other part. Fold it in half. And then fold it in half the other way. Now we have these 2 parts, so we can go ahead and unfold them. So what we're going to want to do here, the next folds are going to be going like this. We're going to be folding the sides to the center crease there. But these 2 have to be opposite. So the easiest way to do this is you have the bottom one and you have the top. So on the top one, on the right side, we're going to fold this up, joining this line to this center crease right here. So on the top one, the right side up. Now for the bottom one, we're going to take the right side and fold it down. And now back up to the top one, we're going to take the left side and fold it down. And then the bottom one, fold the left side up. So now you have these 2 pieces and they are opposite folded from each other. So now we're just going to take one at a time and flip it over. And now we're going to take these corners, this corner here, and fold it into where this crease here meets there. So when you fold this in, it will look like this. If you fold it the wrong way, it'll look like this, and that's not right. So make sure you're folding this corner into where this crease line here meets there. So I'm going to do that on that side. and do the same thing on the other side. Take this and fold it into the corner. Now, take these two folds we just did and fold them in just like that. Fold this one here and fold it in. So now you have a piece that looks like this. So we'll set this aside and we're going to do the same thing for the other piece. We're going to flip it over and take this corner and fold it into there. And on the other side, take this corner and fold it into there. And then I'll take the two sides and fold them in, just like this. Give it a good crease, and fold the other side as well. All right, so now you should have two pieces that look just like this. So you're gonna wanna kind of open them up and let these just kind of lay flat like this. And what we're gonna wanna do is take one of them, we'll take the one on the right side, flip it upside down, and then rotate it to the left a little bit and set it in the middle like this. Now, what we're gonna wanna do is take on this red one, these flaps here that fold in, we're gonna want to fold this in, but we're gonna wanna tuck it underneath this blue one here. So we're gonna fold it in and tuck it underneath that. And then do the same thing on the other side. Fold this in, but we're gonna be tucking it right underneath there. So fold and tuck like that. Now, I'm gonna flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. So we're gonna take this one here and tuck it underneath the red there. We're gonna fold that in, and same thing with the other side. We're gonna tuck it inside of here. So you can kind of open it up a little bit first, get that little pocket, and then fold this in. And then once you do that, kind of work everything and make sure it all seats together well. Give it some nice good creases. And there you have it. Now you have a paper origami ninja star. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and give a comment too of any other origami that you would like me to make a tutorial on in the future. I would love to hear what you have to say and make those for you. And I also have in the next video, there'll be a box somewhere in the screen on how to make a double transforming ninja star like this one here. So feel free to check that out, and then also subscribe. I got a lot of other really cool videos coming soon that you don't want to miss. So with that being said, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.